In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an account using Zoho CRM in N8n step by step so you can set it up quickly inside your workflow. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to pull account data from Zoho CRM, so make sure you're in the correct automation before you continue. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel and choose Zoho CRM. You can usually find it by searching for Zoho CRM in the node list, which makes it faster to add the right integration node. After selecting Zoho CRM, add it to your canvas. Next, in the node settings, choose Get an Account. This tells N8n exactly what action you want Zoho CRM to perform. So instead of creating or updating data, you are now setting it up to retrieve account information. Once you've selected Get an Account, move on to configuring what to get. This is where you define the account details you want the workflow to return. Enter the necessary values or fields based on the account you need, and make sure the configuration matches the data you want to pull from Zoho CRM. Take a moment to review the settings carefully so everything is mapped correctly before running the workflow. After that, you're done with the setup. Your Zoho CRM node is now configured to get an account inside N8n, and you can continue building the rest of your automation from there. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides on N8n and automation tools.